Welcome. In front of me is an Oscal C20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, you will want to hold your power button and select power off from the boot options. And when the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. And we're going to be holding it for some time. It takes the device a bit to, I think, either fully turn off or actually boot into this mode. So if you're holding it for like solid 20 seconds, don't worry, it seems to be normal for this phone. Now when you see the Oscal logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. And in a moment we'll be taken to the what is basically a recovery mode. So here we have a couple different options. Now be careful, this is still a touch screen in this case. Compared to most other like boot modes that you access after turning off the device, like recovery, boot mode, fast boot mode and so on, they usually use volume buttons. Here you can actually tap on these options. So we have things like some tests that you can run. As you can see, there's a bunch of different tests. Propose items, phone information, board test, again more tests I guess. We have reboot also, and at the very end we have also factory reset. Now this is the only place where you will find factory reset of the device that can be done outside of the settings, as there is no other like recovery mode, boot mode or anything like that. This is the only kind of mode you have after turning off the device. So anyway, I'm gonna select reboot, which will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.